Hi, this is CA AKS Krishnan. If you have not yet subscribed for my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe and click the bell icon. If you are not seeing the bell icon, unsubscribe, then resubscribe and you can see the bell icon. Now we are going to see the ICAI notification dated 27th November, that is today, regarding proof for opting out. Proof. See, few days back, even in my video, I have explained that ICAI is not asking proof for opting out. But today, they have advised the students to give proof. Now the question is, those people without some certificate or without even COVID affected, they made opting out. Okay, they already opted out. Now they are trying to even opt out even in the middle of the examination. Now suddenly this notification coming and asking for proof. Let us read this notification. In continuation with the announcement dated so and so, for the opt out scheme, students are allowed to opt out for various reasons due to COVID 19, and such opt out was permitted without production of supporting documents. Yes, because ICAI itself clearly told in last week's notification for that Jan 21 examination, they clarified. No, in that they told that there is no certification needed for opt out. That's what they told. In view of the interest of the fellow students and sensitize the center for further strengthening the precautionary measures. That means those students who wrote the first exam or the second exam, and during the course of examination, if they opted out saying that they are COVID positive people, please understand, you are writing the examination, suddenly you are stopping yourself from writing the examination saying that you are COVID positive. Now the people who are writing in the examination center got fear, correct? Because yesterday you went and sat just near the person and wrote the examination, and today you are not coming to the examination saying that you are COVID positive. Now the fellow students, that means those people who are writing the examination with you, and the examination center, that means the invigilator, all those people, okay, to for them to take precautionary measure, now ICAI is asking this proof. It is hereby advised the candidates who have appeared in the ongoing examination, that means they appeared, they have written FR, they have written SFM, or they have written this law or intermediate, means accounts, law, costing paper, they have appeared for the ongoing examination and now opted out. That means in between. It is not for the students who opted out before even going for examination. The people who started writing the examination and after seeing the paper, okay, they opted out stating they have COVID. Please understand. So you have just gone for the examination, now you are opting out. Those people, in case now, and now opted out for being personally turned COVID 19 positive during examination days. Okay, please understand. That means you people are writing the examination and the candidate who is writing the examination suddenly turning COVID positive. So they should submit the proof along with the admit card to this mail ID appearance 2020 at ICAI.in. This, that means this condition is not applicable for those students who already opted out before the examination. This condition is applicable only for those students who are writing the examination and opted out, who have written two examination and opted out, for only those people. Now some people are interpreting that ICAI told only advised. See here, in the interest of fellow students, for the students strengthening, it is hereby advised that candidate. See, some people are thinking it is only an advisory, it is not mandatory. See, I am telling you, see, you yourself imagine if you are a student who is writing the examination and the fellow students who wrote yesterday's examination, suddenly he is absent today saying if COVID positive, means you are having fear, right? That is the reason. That's why I told, see, it is better to tick option 2. That means I am not having COVID due to parents or the apartments people having COVID. I'm not coming for the examination as a precautionary measure. That is what the option 2 I told in 10 days back. I told this to tick, not the first one. First one is like I personally having COVID. Second option is I am not having COVID but the surrounding people is having COVID. That one, I think if that scenario, then this is not applicable. But if you told that I myself having COVID and opted out, then you need to do this. You may interpret it as only advisory and not mandatory, but actually it is mandatory. This is for what purpose? Okay, to sanitize the examination center, only for that purpose. See, you people are not understanding the sensitivity. See, yes, I understand you have not prepared for various reason, because no, you cannot concentrate in the exam, etc. Okay, but what reason you told that you are positive? But so think, no, the next person may feel fear, right? That is the reason I told don't tick the first option. Okay, now if you have already ticked the first option, I'll tell you, if you are not submitting the uh, proof, ICI may mail you. In that scenario you can reply, because as of now, even though you don't have a COVID but you ticked the first and submitted, they may ask you through mail. If the mail comes, you reply. Till that time you cannot do anything, no. Just wait, don't feel tensed. Okay, let us see what happens later. Thank you so much. Bye bye.